Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Box, and it's Tracy here. So I've got some happy mail that arrived, and this arrived in the mail kind of yesterday as we were on our way out, so I had to wait until I got home to open it. And it's from the lovely Rebecca England. So she did warn me that it was on its way, and I'm hoping that I've got a way in. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get in that way. I've got a knife, which I know it's a bit dodgy the way that things are with me at the moment. I've got a plaster. Not getting in that way. That was my finger. Okay, back with the knife. This is a strong bag. Heavens, this is a very strong bag. So indestructible. It is seriously an indestructible bag when I stab it. Right, I'm in. I made sure that there was nothing beneath it. It was just air, and my finger wasn't there. So, we've got a few things in here. First thing is Crafter's Square acrylic yarn, and it is a lovely dark blue. No, put it over there. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. So this is right. Where are we? It says use 5mm needles, so I'm guessing this is a 4-weight. 6mm crochet hook. Well, at least it gives you the sizes. It's 100% acrylic. A 2.45 ounce or 70 gram ball. That's unusual. Crafter's Square, it's called. And here it is, the strand. I won't bring it too close because it kind of makes it a little bleachy, but it looks very dark, doesn't it? It's dark blue, like a real navy blue, and it's very sort of tightly wound on that ball, because if you think about it, it's bigger than a, what did I say it was? 70 grams. So it's really sort of a stiff little tightly wound ball, because it's between, I've never seen a 70 gram ball. Isn't that unusual? Well, I guess it's not where you come from, guys, but it is over here, I have to say. Now, it doesn't actually say, oh, this is an Aran weight, but I do believe it is. There's the strand. As you can, I'll put it against my skin and then you can see it. I always feel like when people go like that, you know, I don't want to be that person, but you won't see it if I don't. So that's that one. Oh, this one's colourful. Wow, this is ice yarn, and it's kind of a blue and green and yellow. So dark blue, like navy blue, royal blue, and green and yellow. That's a bit snazzy, isn't it? Ice yarn up the wrong way. Okay, so we've got a donut to try and read. I'm not good with these. Never find the bit I need. So we got, it's called Winter, Sail Winter. And it's 50 gram ball, 40% wool, 60% acrylic. And it's just called Blue Navy Green. Blue Navy Green. They sound about as good as naming their yarn as some of the stores that... I've got another one of those. That's 2 of those. Maybe more. Hang on. 3 of those. And another one of the blue. So they all go together quite nicely. And there's books. Wow. This is amazing. It's dad jokes too, as in funnier than ever. So when the other book comes to an end, I've got this one to fall back on, and look how thick that is. Some of them are visual, I did see as I thumbed through, but that is going to keep me going for a very, very long time on my morning chats where I do the joke of the day. That's going to keep me going for quite a long time. And I've got a card. I won't read it out, Rebecca. I don't want to embarrass you, unless it's just hi or something. No, it's lots. So I won't read it out to you. But thank you so much. Ah, Becky. I didn't know you liked to be called Becky. Thank you very much. Oh, like this. So we had Dad's jokes, right? We got Mum's jokes. Oh, that's cool. I really like that. So this one is Mum's jokes, like Dad's jokes, only smarter. I like that a lot. Hang on a minute. That deserves one of these. The whole thing deserves one of these. No, it doesn't. That one. I'm not very good with the buttons. I kind of know where they are, and then the thumb goes straight to the wrong bit. I blame the plaster. It wasn't me. So this is by Lisa Beth Johnson and Phoebe Bottoms. Johnson and Bottoms? Like, are they real? What's wittier than a dad's joke? Snarkier than a kid's joke, and always has the perfect comeback? Mum's jokes. Hey, I like these. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate these because, well, I'll never have to look for another joke as long as I live, I doubt, because look, they're huge. So thank you very much. That is absolutely amazing. Everybody will benefit from them because you'll all have your morning little joke to start the day, or morning funny, and I will read this in a second. So that's cool. Thank you very much. Now I'm recording this Thursday because Gary and I went to the cinema, and we went to see Expendables 4. I couldn't remember the number the last time I mentioned it. It was like Expendables 79 or something, but it was 4, and it was very good, although I did suss out all of the plot. But yeah, that's where we've been. So when I got back, I thought, I can't wait any longer. I'm gonna have to open it. And I thought, well, as we're off busy tomorrow, I could film this today. So this all goes together really nicely. Look, there's dark blue. You can't see it, so it bleaches out if I go too close. But there's dark blue there, which goes really, really well with this. So I have to think of a plan, won't I, for my my 3 ice yarn and this crafter's square. How about that? That all goes together really, really well. Thank you very much. How sweet of you. It's so nice of you to think of me. Got all like shy now. So yeah, I'm gonna go and read my card because you know, even if I did get the permission to read it, it's squiggly writing, and you know it's quite gloomy. I'd have to be. I think I'd fare worse than that small print joke book in the mornings. So yeah, I'm going to read this now. Thank you very much, and I love it all, especially the mum's jokes. That's a cool idea, isn't it? Dad's jokes, then mum's joke. Really, thank you. Mwah! I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.